How to approve USDT via the Trust wallet. But first things first, before you go or you dive into the world of crypto, you have to fully understand how it works. But pretty sure that you will learn from it in the long run. So if you go into Trust Wallet's official site, you can choose between the application or via an extension if you're using your laptop or PC. Both of these are going to be the same. So approving SDT is to initiate the action, follow the prompt, confirm and trust wallet, approve the transaction, pay network fee, and complete the whole process. Do so once you pull up the application. You will be asked to log in or to create a new account. Once you successfully created an account, you will have to verify it first by providing physical ID or any documents that will form as you are a legitimate user. So to initiate the action, just simply go into the DAPP or DEX that requires approval, such as token swap or staking, and then just simply follow the prompts so that you will complete and confirm. Now, for you to use buy, sell, swap, or even earn, you need to approve the transaction first on the transaction details in your Trust Wallet app. To pay the network fee, ensure you have sufficient native tokens in your wallet for the transaction fee on that specific network. Once you complete the process, it will automatically be approved on via USDT. That's how you approve USDT and Trust Wallet.